Welcome everyone. Today I'm gonna try to drop some knowledge on you all about clutch release bearings. As you can see, I have two here. They both are from Nissan Patrol G60 Y60. I don't know how to pronounce that. Well, from my patrol. But they are totally different. They look different, the size is different, and everything is different. But both of them fit snugly on the main beam of the gearbox. The part for the mystery that I had. I bought a new clutch release bearing because mine was already, as you can hear. And when I took it off, I found out that I can't fit it. So I started googling and finding the part numbers, and all the part numbers pointed me to this metal one. So the big question I had, how come mine has a plastic one but the part numbers show metal one and it looks different? And this is the clutch release bearing from my part, and it's 19. It's 24 wide. 67 like this, and inner part is 45 millimeters. But the part, if you look at the parts from the part number, it shows like this, and it's 68 to 19, not 24 but 19, or whatever was the number first. And the inner size is 40, I mean, not 45. So after digging, I found out that these plastic ones, this mount for the release bearing, these were made in Spain. I guess we'll put somewhere there the Wikipedia page. These are used in K260 models of Nissan Patrols that had leaf springs, to be more specific. They were produced in France from 88 to 2002. From 1988 to 2002. And these metal ones were also original, but produced in all other places except Spain. So from some miracle I have a gearbox from Spain. Well, okay, that's not a big miracle because, well, things break and people change things. But yeah, this is what was my mystery, and I couldn't, for the love of anything, find the information why I can't fit mine. Now, the benefits. I would say the benefit of metal one. Looks strange, but okay. The metal one. It doesn't wear out. Plus, it's pressed in there. It doesn't have these metal rings. The plastic ones tend to break on you because they wear out, and if for any reason the plastic breaks, basically you can screw up the whole gearbox. It's just gonna break the axle, ruin the gearbox, maybe even the engine, I'm not sure. But yeah, that's the only difference between K260 gearbox and G60 gearbox. G. Anyway, from my patrol and that patrol, because all these metal rings are the same, everything is the same, the gearbox itself is the same, only this mount and the size of the bearing. So yeah, this is a short video, but it took me a week to figure out this, and thank you to people who helped me. Talked to some guys that knew about these patrol issues. Well, not issues, but differences in Spain and the rest of the world. So that was interesting find, and yeah, I believe someone will benefit from this small video, because it's frustrating when you have all the right part numbers but nothing fits. And now for my project, I'm just gonna get this to the workshop and let guys press in the new clutch release bearing, and I can finish up my gearbox installation. That's gonna be in next video, because fortunately I needed to make this video before I finish up the work on the gearbox. So yeah, hopefully this helped someone. If anyone knows any other hidden little secrets about it, remember, if you have plastic clutch release bearing mount, then yeah, you have the Spain version. It's not hard to get these standard versions. I decided to stick with the standard version and not look for the release bearing of the Spain one, because this is the most common one, and if they both fit identically, then why should I bother? They're even, the size is the same. Yeah, then I shouldn't be bothered with trying to figure this one out till then. Just gonna use this one. Sorry for the noise. So yeah, thanks everyone for looking at this short video. Subscribe, because sometimes I find something new. And see you in the next week. Hopefully next week that I will have the gearbox in. Then we just need to wash that all. But you can follow my channel to see more. Okay everyone, see you later. Bye.